Construction team role. A construction team may consist of several individuals who work together to complete a construction project. Below is a list of some of the common roles and duties that are typically found on a construction team. A. Project manager role. The construction project manager is responsible for overseeing the entire construction project, from the initial planning stages through to the final completion of the project. Their primary role is to ensure that the project is completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. The construction project manager's specific duties may include 1. Project planning. The project manager is responsible for developing a detailed project plan, including timelines, milestones, and resource requirements. They work closely with the client, the design team, and other stakeholders to ensure that the project plan meets everyone's expectations. 2. Budgeting. The project manager is responsible for developing and managing the project budget. They monitor costs throughout the project and make adjustments as necessary to ensure that the project stays within budget. 3. Resource allocation. The project manager is responsible for allocating resources, including labor, materials, and equipment, to ensure that the project is completed on time and within budget. 4. Risk management. The project manager identifies and assesses potential risks to the project and develops plans to mitigate those risks. They also monitor the project for new risks and take appropriate action to manage them. 5. Communication. The project manager communicates regularly with the client, the design team, and other stakeholders to keep them informed about the project's progress. They also coordinate communication between different team members to ensure that everyone is working together effectively. 6. Quality control. The project manager ensures that the project meets the required quality standards. They develop quality control plans, monitor work on the project site, and take corrective action when necessary to ensure that the work is done to the required standards. 7. Safety management. The project manager is responsible for ensuring that the project site is safe for workers and visitors. They develop and enforce safety policies and procedures, and monitor the site for potential safety hazards. Overall, the construction project manager plays a critical role in ensuring that the construction project is completed successfully. They must be highly organized, have strong leadership skills, and be able to manage complex projects with many stakeholders and moving parts. B. Architect role. The role of a construction architect is crucial in the construction industry, as they are responsible for designing and planning the construction of a building or structure. Architects work closely with clients, engineers, contractors, and other professionals to ensure that the building meets the client's needs, is structurally sound, and complies with all applicable regulations. Some of the primary responsibilities of a construction architect include 1. Designing and planning. Architects work closely with clients to understand their needs and develop a design that meets those needs while staying within budget and regulatory requirements. They use their creativity, technical expertise, and knowledge of construction materials to design buildings that are functional, safe, and aesthetically pleasing. 2. Creating construction drawings. Once the design is finalized, architects create detailed construction drawings that show how the building will be constructed, including the placement of walls, doors, windows, and other features. 3. Working with contractors. Architects work closely with contractors to ensure that the construction is carried out according to the design and construction drawings. They may provide guidance and support during the construction process to ensure that the building is constructed to the required quality standards. 4. Managing the construction process. In some cases, architects may also manage the construction process, overseeing the work of contractors and subcontractors, and ensuring that the project stays on schedule and within budget. 5. Ensuring compliance with regulations. Architects must ensure that the building complies with all applicable building codes and regulations, including safety and environmental regulations. 6. Evaluating building performance. Architects may also evaluate the performance of buildings after construction is completed, looking at factors such as energy efficiency, maintenance needs, and user satisfaction. Overall, the role of a construction architect is critical in ensuring that a building is designed and constructed to meet the client's needs, is safe and structurally sound, and complies with all applicable regulations. C. Civil engineer role. A civil engineer in the construction industry plays a crucial role in ensuring the successful completion of a construction project. They are responsible for the design, planning, and construction of the building's infrastructure, including roads, bridges, and utilities. Here are some of the primary responsibilities of a civil engineer in the construction industry. 1. Designing and planning. A civil engineer works closely with the project manager and the architect to design and plan the building's infrastructure. They use their expertise to create designs that are structurally sound, cost-effective, and meet all regulatory requirements. 2. Conducting site investigations. Before construction begins, a civil engineer will conduct site investigations to assess the site's suitability for construction. They will evaluate the soil conditions, terrain, and other factors that could affect the construction process. 3. Managing construction activities. During the construction process, a civil engineer will oversee the construction activities to ensure that they are carried out according to the project plan and design. They will also ensure that all workers follow safety regulations and use appropriate equipment. 4. Liaising with contractors and suppliers. A civil engineer will work closely with contractors and suppliers to ensure that they deliver the required materials and services on time and within budget. 5. Ensuring quality control. A civil engineer will ensure that all construction work meets the required quality standards. They will conduct regular inspections to check the quality of work and ensure that any defects are corrected. D. Construction manager role. The construction manager is a key member of the construction team responsible for overseeing the day-to-day operations of a construction project. Their primary role is to ensure that the project is completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. Some of the key duties and responsibilities of a construction manager include: 1. Project planning. The construction manager is responsible for developing and implementing a comprehensive project plan that includes timelines, budgets, and resource allocation. 2. Resource management. The construction manager is responsible for ensuring that the construction team has the necessary resources to complete the project, including personnel, materials, and equipment. 3. Coordination with other team members. The construction manager works closely with other members of the construction team, including architects, engineers, contractors, and subcontractors, to ensure that everyone is working together towards the same goals. 4. Budget management. The construction manager is responsible for monitoring the project budget and ensuring that expenses are kept within the allocated budget. 5. Quality control. The construction manager is responsible for ensuring that all construction work is completed to the required quality standards. 6. Safety management. The construction manager is responsible for ensuring that all construction work is carried out safely and in compliance with all relevant safety regulations. 7. Communication. The construction manager is responsible for maintaining effective communication with all stakeholders, including clients, contractors, subcontractors, and other team members, to ensure that everyone is informed about the project's progress. Overall, the construction manager plays a critical role in ensuring the success of a construction project, from the initial planning stages to the final completion and handover to the client. A. Site supervisor role. Site or a similar work site. Their role is to ensure that the project is progressing according to schedule, that all workers are following safety protocols, and that the work is being carried out to the required quality standards. Specific duties of a site supervisor may include: 1. Managing and coordinating the work of construction workers, tradespeople, and subcontractors. 2. Communicating with project managers, architects, and other stakeholders. 3. Creating and implementing project schedules and timelines. 4. Ensuring that all work is completed on time and within budget. 5. Conducting regular inspections of the work site to ensure compliance with safety regulations and quality standards. 6. Identifying and addressing any issues or problems that arise during the construction process. 7. Providing regular updates to project managers and other stakeholders on the progress of the project. 8. Maintaining accurate records of work completed and materials used. 9. Hiring and training new workers as needed. Overall, the site supervisor plays a critical role in ensuring the success of a construction project by providing leadership, management, and oversight on the work site. For more such information, new videos, subscribe to your channel, i.e. Bluebird Construction, and don't forget to share, because there are many more students and freshers with you who are in dire need of this knowledge.